This is a video to help you with your top load washer that isn't filling at all or isn't filling enough. A couple things you can check. So we're asking it to do a normal wash. We start, this is a GE top loader. We press the start button and we can hear that it isn't filling. So we're gonna check these valves on the wall. We wanna make sure they turn fully to the left. So counterclockwise. So this is the cold side. On the hot side, we're turning all the way to the left, and we're going to turn the hot side, the other one all the way open, and now we can hear water flowing. So in this case, probably the valves on the wall had just been mistakenly turned off. So we were asking for super, which is the highest setting, and we're not getting all the way to the top. We got about 3 Now we're going to clean the inlet valves. First we'll turn both of the valves on the wall all the way off, all the way to the right, so there's no water flowing. And we're going to use some pliers to loosen these water lines on the back of the washer. A little bit of water will come out when you take these off. So now we're using just our fingers to take this water line off, and we're going to look at the little filter behind the water line to see if it might be clogged with debris. If you have an old toothbrush, you can use it to clean that filter. So we're just going to scrub that out and see if we can get some of the debris out. You get full of sediment over time, and then not enough water will come in the allotted amount of time, and we won't get enough fill. You can use a camera here to take a picture of what that filter looks like. I think it's pretty clean now, but we did get a little bit of debris came out. So that one looks good. We're going to go ahead and put the water line back on, get it tight, and then we'll do the other side. So that's the cold side. Here's the hot side. So go lefty-loosey to get that off. We'll take a look at it, and you can also use your needle nose pliers to grab the plastic filter and pull it towards you, and then you can get a little bit better look, and also helps it clean it. Again, you can use an old toothbrush to clean it off. So it looks good. We put it back in. We're going to tighten that hose back up. Use the pliers to get it tighter. We'll take a test. So we're going to set it for a normal cycle, press start, and then let it fill up. So it sounds like it's filling a little faster now, so probably getting the debris out of there was the thing we needed to do. We also noticed that the hot and cold lines were reversed. So when you ask for cold, you're getting hot. When you ask for hot, you're getting cold. So we went ahead and put them on correctly and got them tight. And that is important because during the rinse cycle, you're supposed to be getting cold water, and if you have them reversed, it won't work correctly. It's a common problem. People just get them backwards when they install the washer. So we turned our valves back on, giving it a test. Asking for a normal cycle, we press the start button, and we're just testing the different temperatures, and then we're testing the different water levels. So we have the lowest water level, looks good, and we're back working good again. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.